All right, let's talk about one of Tamil Nadu's legacy institutions, the Faculty of Engineering and Technology at Annamalai University. It's located in Chidambaram, and its TNEA code is 0005. So, let's dive into what makes this college a serious contender for so many students. Right off the bat, the big thing you need to know is the university's NAAC A+ grade. Now, this is a top-level stamp of approval, a sign of overall quality in teaching and research. And it's not old news. This accreditation is valid all the way through June 2027.
That A+ grade isn't just something they got overnight. It's built on a really deep history. This place was set up way back in 1945, making it the second engineering college in what was then Madras State. That kind of long-standing experience is something you just can't create out of thin air.
Okay, so it's got this amazing history. But what does this institution, AUFED, really stand for today? Let's get a clearer picture of its core identity. So, AUFED, as it's commonly called, is the engineering faculty of Annamalai University. And here's the key takeaway. Annamalai University is a state public university. That means it's a government institution through and through.
And because it's a government university, things are very straightforward. Admissions, they're 100% through the TNEA counseling process, purely based on your marks. There is absolutely no management quota. For parents especially, knowing this brings a lot of peace of mind. It's all transparent.
All right, let's move on to the hard data. How does this history and government status stack up when we look at official rankings and accreditations? These are the numbers that really verify the quality. In the 2025 NIRF rankings, that's the central government's own ranking system, Annamalai University as a whole is ranked 57th in the entire country. That puts it right up there with India's top public universities, and that's the strong foundation the engineering faculty is built on. Now, if we zoom in on just the engineering faculty, it's placed in the 201 to 250 rank band in the latest NIRF results for engineering. Beyond these overall rankings, let's look at the quality of individual programs. That's where the National Board of Accreditation, or NBA, comes in. And right now, 3 of the core BE programs here have earned that highly respected Tier 1 accreditation. And look at this, the accreditation for chemical, computer science, and electrical and electronics engineering is valid all the way until June 2028. A long validity like that from the NBA is a really strong signal that these branches have a stable, high-quality curriculum that you can rely on. So with that kind of quality assurance, let's check out the specific engineering degrees you can actually pursue here. Now, a big question for many of you is probably, can an old, established college keep up with the latest tech trends? Well, the answer is a clear yes. Since 2019, AUFED has brought in new BE programs in super high-demand fields like artificial intelligence and machine learning and data science. So yes, they're definitely keeping the curriculum fresh and relevant. Across all its branches, the faculty offers a total of 1,020 seats through TNEA counseling. This actually makes it one of the larger government university options in Tamil Nadu, which means more opportunities for more students. Of course, a great college experience is about more than just what happens in the lecture hall. So what about opportunities for research and global exposure? Let's take a look. This number really says it all. In just the last academic year, the faculty brought in over 4 crore rupees in sponsored research funding. For a student, this is huge. It means there's real, funded research happening on campus that you can potentially get involved in. The university also has a strong global connect, with academic partnerships in place with universities in the USA, Japan, and Australia. These collaborations can open up some really interesting exchange opportunities. Now we come to the big question, the one on every parent and student's mind. What about jobs? What's the return you can expect after investing 4 years here? According to the official data the college submitted to NIRF, the median salary for the batch that graduated in 2023 was 3.81 lakhs per annum. The median is the middle number, which gives you a very realistic and honest idea of what a typical graduate earns right out of campus.
And who's doing the hiring? Well, the list of recruiters shows they have strong industry connections. You've got core engineering giants like L&T side by side with major IT companies like TCS, HCL, and IBM.
This chart gives us a really clear picture of where students go after graduation. Out of 649 recent graduates, 262 got jobs through campus placements. But look at this. A very significant 212 students chose to pursue higher studies. That really speaks volumes about the strong academic foundation they get here.
Okay, for any student who might be moving away from home, the campus itself is a massive part of the decision. Let's look at what your home for the next 4 years would be like.
First things first, yes, permanent, full-service hostels are available for both boys and girls. And something that's very important for a lot of families, the mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food.
The campus is absolutely massive. It's spread over 1,000 acres. It has a huge central library with over 5 lakh books, its own hospital right on campus for any medical needs, and it's super convenient, just 2 kilometers from the Chidambaram railway station.
Just so you know, all the information we've shared today has been carefully compiled from the university's own official website and cross-checked with trusted government portals like NIRF and TNEA at the time we put this together.
So, with its long history, solid government backing, and verified quality, could Annamalai University's engineering faculty be the right choice for you? Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.